Hi friends, welcome back to my channel youtuberviji. In this video I am going to show you the uses of S hook. I bought this online. I will give you the link in the description box. If you like it and if you want to buy it, then you can check the link in the description box. I bought it from Amazon. So I am going to show you how I use this S hook. Actually I bought it 6 months back and the uses were just amazing. I could easily organize my kitchen, shelves and everything. I am going to show you how I use this and I hope this video is going to be useful to you. So come on, let's get started. See here, I have used the S hooks to hang my handbags and purses and also my necklaces and my daughter's necklaces. It is very easy to organize like this. It is very easy to take it out and put it back. The necklaces won't get entangled. Before this I used to put the necklaces in a box, and once we take it out it gets entangled with the other necklaces. So if you hang it like this, it is very easy to take it and put it back. My necklaces are so much organized now. Here I have used the S hooks to hang some more pouches, handbags and my hair dryer. They don't take your space. Here I have used the S hooks to hang my utensils. See here, I have hanged so many utensils using the S hook. It has really helped me to organize my kitchen a lot. You can see I have hanged so many things here. They don't take your countertop places. You can simply hang it like this and it won't take the places. They look so organized. Here I have used the S hooks to hang the school bags, lunch bags like that, which I have washed. You can use it and put the washed handbags, school bags and lunch bags easily. Here in the window I have used this S hook to hang the shuttle rackets. In the kitchen window I have used to hang the chopping board. You can also hang heavy iron pans like this in the windows. See here, I have used the S hooks to hold a basket in my puja cupboard. I have kept the puja essentials here and it is so nice. I hope this video was useful to you. You will not find these S hooks that easily in the stores, but you can easily get it online on Amazon. The prices are really very cheap. So check out the link that I have given in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I will come up with another interesting video, useful video. So stay tuned on my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Be happy. Stay healthy.